Ladies and gentlemen, from Toyota's headquarters in Plano, Texas, it is my pleasure to introduce the all-new, all-hybrid 2021 Toyota Sienna.
Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it.
This all-new fourth-generation Sienna takes style and versatility to a whole new level. Influenced by the bold character of SUVs, it delivers on design without compromising the convenience and utility of a van. And did I mention that Sienna will be 100% hybrid? When it arrives, it will offer class-leading manufactured estimated 33 combined MPG. So you and your family can spend less time at the pump and more time making memories. This model here behind me is the top-of-the-line Platinum grade. Sienna will also be offered in a well-equipped limited grade and our core XSE grade that puts a sporty slant on the traditional family hauler. I love these kick open and close sliding doors. I'm telling you, that combined with a 100% hybrid powertrain, this is a game changer. Safety is so important to us and a key purchase reason in the minivan segment that I'm proud to say that Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 and a blind spot monitor are standard on every grade. We'll even offer an available rear seat reminder feature for added peace of mind. And finally, all-wheel drive will be available on every grade of Sienna. Designed, engineered in California and Michigan, and assembled by our fantastic manufacturing team members in Princeton, Indiana, this all-new, all-hybrid, all-American 2021 Sienna will arrive in dealerships late this year. This rear seat in Sienna is amazing. It's like a first-class airline seat. And the new Sienna, it has a vacuum and a real refrigerator. Here, have a cold beverage on me.